Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to change Gmail of your Spotify account. To do so, go to any browser because Spotify application doesn't have an email changing option. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Go to any browser and go to spotify.com, then get logged in to your Spotify account. Here I'm already logged in. Now tap on your profile picture that's just beside the menu icon on the top right corner. Now you will be redirected to account overview page. Scroll down a bit. There you can see a section account overview. You can also see the current email used on your Spotify account. Now to edit it, tap on edit profile. Now you can see your email on the first input field. Erase it and enter your new Gmail, then enter your password. And scroll down a bit and tap on save profile. Now you have successfully changed email of your account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below and hit the like button if the video helped you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for similar contents.